Hi, my name is Thomas from Anivo Engineering, and I wanted to show you the special floating tools we have available in stock for you. The floating tools are used to install the floating inserts, which have a floating range, and they're commonly used in aerospace industry. This floating tool is equipped with a spring, so when you tap in the cleanse, it pushes back until you reach the surface material. On the other side, you can see the two grooves where you put on the insert, then you screw in the insert in the panel. Afterwards, you turn the tool around, and then you can tap in the cleanse. In order to make sure you have the proper installation and you don't bend the cleanse, you can also use a broaching tool. Now, the broaching tools for the floating inserts are quite special, so we always need the tap drill diameter in order to be able to quote this tool and to make the design for the tool. So if you have any questions about that, please let us know. We can make the tool in 4 to 6 weeks. The broaching tool we can make in 4 to 6 weeks, and the floating tool, the installation tools, we have available in stock. Thank you.